Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get methane in Astroneer. This is going to be useful for crafting more advanced materials inside of the chemistry lab, like is the silicone, which can then later be processed to make something like the medium gas canister. So to begin, first of all, methane can be found on two planets only, and these are the Novas, where you can find it, and the second one is Atrax, where you can also find it. Also, to get the methane, you'll also need a atmospheric condenser, in which you can choose the recipe for methane. Also, you'll need to power it with some kind of a power, and to get it to another planet, I would recommend you package it inside of this kind of box and have a medium shuttle, so you can travel with the atmospheric condenser. Also, have some kind of a power supply, get to the planet. And to travel to the Atrax planet, just choose the closest planet to the sun, just like this. And then just land on some kind of a natural location on the planet. I've already been to this planet, so I have a setup already going on here. And once you're here and set up your atmospheric condenser, you can choose the methane recipe on the third position and click this green button, or click these arrows and click this green button. This means that it is going to repeatedly produce the methane if it has somewhere to place full methane canister. So, as you can see, it is producing methane at a fast rate, even though I don't have many power, and this is because methane is here at a high concentration. So this is pretty much all, how to get methane in Astroneer. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.